Welcome friends, today we're creating a custom BioThane keychain in just 5 minutes. Let's jump right in. Here's what you'll need for this quick and easy project. 1 meter of BioThane or PrinThane for a stylish printed touch. A big thanks to Colorful Stripes for this amazing product. A Keyring, a BioThane loop that matches the width of your material. 1 book screw with a threaded post. You'll also need a BioThane Cutter, a Flathead Screwdriver, and punch pliers. First, grab your BioThane and form a loop to find the perfect length for your keychain. Remember to keep it practical for everyday use. Once you're happy with the length, cut it with your BioThane scissors. Next, align both ends of the BioThane. Use your punch pliers to make a clean hole through both layers. This hole will hold the book screw that secures the ends together. Now, slide the BioThane loop over both ends of your material. This extra loop ensures your keychain stays snug and secure. Align the threaded post carefully with the hole and insert it through the hole you just made in your BioThane. Take your keyring and slide it onto the BioThane. Make sure it's positioned behind the threaded post. Finally, press the other end of the BioThane onto the threaded post. Use your flathead screwdriver to tighten the book screw securely. Double check that everything is firmly in place. And there you have it. Your custom DIY BioThane keychain is complete. It's stylish, durable, and perfect for everyday use. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more fun and creative BioThane projects. See you in the next YouTube video, and happy crafting, guys!